Welcome to qnawire.
Here the question is, almost all metals in nature are found as ionic compounds in ores instead of being in the pure state. Why? What must be done to a sample of ore to obtain a metal substance that has desirable properties? Now the first question is, all metals in the nature are available in the form of ionic compounds and in ores. These metals which are available in the nature in the form of ionic compounds are actually reactive metals. Reactive metals are only losing electron and forming ionic compound. In the nature, it is present in the ore. Now what is ore? Ore is that mineral from which metal can be extracted easily and economically. So ore is that substance which is present in the nature, and from that metal can be extracted easily and economically. So that is known as ore. And if the metal is less reactive or unreactive, metals, then they are not reacting with the non-metals and they are available in the nature in pure form. Reactive metals form ionic compounds with non-metals like oxygen, sulfur or halogens. And from the ore, we can get the metal by the main process is reduction. By reduction, ore metal can be converted to metal with desirable properties, and this whole process is known as metallurgy.